show you how to make this pattern, the checkerboard pattern. So, you take a soft Rubik's Cube, like so, and you go on any side and turn it twice on both sides, this side and this side, like this. And then you turn it sideways, where it's like this, and then you turn it sideways again, and then you turn these like I just showed you. And now I will show you this one. The last part is to go on. The last part is to go on the side with a line like this and have it face sideways. And then we're going to do this. We're going to do this twice. And my cousin's over there, so if you would like to say anything, you can say anything about my channel.
I need y'all to get Mason to 500 subscribers. That's all I have to say.
Please get me to like 1,000 subscribers, because I am trying to get money too.
Yeah, get me to 500,000. Tell them my YouTube channel.
And the fast way to do this is just, I'm about to show you this fast way. Also go to his YouTube channel.
Tell him my name.
Which is Peggy Leonard for some reason. And I'm doing this one-handed. This is fun actually. Once you learn how to do this, once you learn how to do this, it's fun actually to do this. So to do it blindfolded, one-handed, I'm going to do this.
There's no way you get that. That's impossible. Mason, you might want to turn your face. Oh, you did it, Mason.
Whoopsie, Daisy. But if I didn't drop it, I would have did it. So I just had to memorize stuff. And it's really fun. Also, he's a commentator right now.
Get me and Mason to 500,000 subscribers. Peggy Litter and you should know
Rubik's Cube Master. Me.
Hit that follow button. Hit that
like and subscribe down below.
Hit that share button.
And share it to all your friends and family.
We're going to be posting this
also,
on
you can't really see my face. I'm in somewhere else, but if you could, yeah.
Yeah,
I will probably do like a proper face reveal at some point.
If you give me him,
I hope you like my tutorial on how to make the checkerboard pattern. Bye. Get me to lots of subscribers. Also, my cousin's over there, so he's being inquisitive.